Hey, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, welcome to the channel. So today we are sharing a new tutorial on how to use Mindify Chat to learn new codebase. So today's idea is we want to explore new codebase faster instead of just like scrolling through files to file. So we have a demonstration repository, and this one here is a React demonstration, which is to use LangChain and OpenAI API or other tools to develop a retrieval augmented generation application, RAG. And the way to do that is because there's a lot of files within it. And if I'm a beginner to generative AI, I kind of need someone to get me through this process. And let's use Mindify Chat to do that. So we go into the account setting, and then we copy and paste the mock coding and React demonstration. Copy and paste and put it over here as step setting, and now it is indexing the application and store it to our system so AI can understand what's going on within your codebase. It's pretty fast. Okay, so once it's ready, we can use the split screen to kind of do this more like have a better way to do this. Here we go. So let's put it right here and let's go. So what is the repository meaning about? So we want to learn more about like what is the repository trying to do, and you can have you provide an outline for this repo and try to guide me through this process. Yeah, so it's now basically can share some top like idea and items or directory that's within the codebase, and now we can so how to get started. So it's now basically trying to, because we are already using virtual environment, so you can use virtual environment and install the files you need and the Python environment that you need, and then prepare the data set, for example GPT-4 report. Over here, you can just trying to have a sample data you can try to retrieve on the on the server, and that's pretty much it. And if you want to learn more about like other kind of codebase, please let me know. You can leave a comment down below, or you can email us at support@mindifyai.dev. You can learn more about this application for the